We'll guide you through how to use Smudge tool in Photopea. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your favorite browser and double-click its icon to launch it. Click on the address bar, type Photopea, and press enter on your keyboard to search. On the results page, select the top option, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘. After the website loads, choose New Project. Select any template available in Photopea. Then click the Create button to begin editing. When the editing page appears, press Ctrl+0 to fit the canvas neatly to your screen. Look at the toolbar menu on the left side of the workspace. For this tutorial, use the Shape tool as the example. Draw a shape anywhere on the canvas, then change its color to any color you prefer. Resize the shape and move it until it is centered on the canvas. Next, press B on your keyboard and choose a different color that will be used for the gradient on the shape. Add a new layer above the shape layer. Right-click the new layer and select Clipping Mask so the edits affect only the shape below. Apply the gradient color across the shape using the clipped layer. After that, return to the toolbar menu and locate the Smudge tool. Open the brush settings beside the history panel. Use the following settings exactly: size 300, hardness 0, spacing 20, and enable both scatter and transfer. Set position jitter and count jitter to 20, opacity jitter to 100, and change the control mode to pen pressure. Now apply the Smudge tool brush to your object. Work slowly while dragging the brush, and keep the strength setting low for smoother, more controlled blending. Continue practicing until you become comfortable with the effect. You have now learned how to use the Smudge tool in Photopea. As you practice, experiment with different dragging directions to create subtle or dramatic blending effects without rushing. If the result does not look right, undo the last action and try again until you achieve a smooth, natural-looking finish that matches your design with consistent practice daily.